when we lost the final last year, we knew it was tough to get there in the first place. We knew it would be a tough road back, and that's how it's been. But like, we've learned a lot through them journeys and through extra time.
Tyrone are a seriously good team, and they lost narrowly last year, so we know that they're going to be hugely hungry on Sunday. And you know, they have some key players all over the pitch, but I suppose, you know, we're focusing on ourselves and our game plan as well.
We're probably more determined, you know, like a lot of them extra times we could have been beat, and like there's probably a different fight there from the girls, and we've more girls like willing to stand up and to take the lead, which is brilliant.
I think game on game we've really improved. You know, we've reflected on a lot of our matches, and we've learned a lot of things, so we have improved game on game. Still, we have a lot to improve on, but you know, we're working on those things, and we're hoping to perform well on Sunday.
They've had a strong campaign. We imagine like Laois are going to be the toughest opponents we have this year. They obviously have the experience of winning the intermediate final a couple of years ago, and yeah, look, we're looking forward to it. We know it's going to be a challenge, but we're ready.
Well, it could be the battle in midfield. You know, there's a huge battle there. You know, the height, the fielding as well in the middle of the field. You know, there's pacey players as well. It could be the matchups on the day as well.
Last year it would have obviously meant so much to have won it, but like when you do have that hurt there, like I just think this year it would be extra special, and especially for like the fans and the families who have followed you through all the ups and downs. You know, like we want to do it for them, and we want to bring it home for them.
I mean, it'd be huge for us to get over the line, to get back up playing senior. We're really excited, and hopefully we will.
I think in finals, like you need to go for it. You know, it's whatever team's out there to be brave, and like it's not a time to shy away. You want to go out and play your football and leave with no regrets.